Once upon a time, there lived a kind young girl named Lina. One day, she found a tiny sparrow lying on the ground with an injured wing. Lina gently picked it up and said, "Don't be afraid, little one. I'll help you." She wrapped the bird in her scarf and cared for it with love until it could fly again. When the sparrow finally took flight, Lina smiled and whispered, "Fly high, my tiny friend. The feather's magic." That night, something magical happened. A soft glow filled Lina's room, and the golden feather the sparrow left behind began to sparkle. A gentle voice spoke, "Kind Lina, if you ever need help, whisper your wish to me." Lina gasped in surprise. "Magic? Me? That's silly, but thank you." Days later, when she had no food to eat, Lina softly whispered, "Golden feather, please bring me food." In moments, her small table was filled with warm bread and soup. She couldn't believe her eyes. The greedy neighbor. Next door lived Madame Doro, a woman full of greed and jealousy. When she saw the golden light shining from Lina's home, she sneaked inside and found the magic feather. "This is where the magic comes from. It should be mine," she said, snatching it away. Holding the feather tightly, she shouted, "Give me gold. Jewels. Everything." But the feather's voice thundered, "Magic does not serve greed." Suddenly, the light vanished. All her treasures disappeared into thin air, leaving her alone and frightened. The return and lesson. The next morning, the sparrow returned, carrying the golden feather back to Lina. "True kindness never goes unseen," the little bird chirped. Lina smiled warmly. "Welcome home, my friend. I'll share what I have with everyone, even Madame Doro." Madame Doro, ashamed and humbled, whispered, "I'm sorry, Lina." The moral. And so, the girl who gave without asking was blessed with a magic brighter than gold. Her kindness filled the village with warmth and light. Because in the end, kindness is the real magic.